Hey everyone. Today, I want to dive into a topic that's been on so many of our minds, especially as we navigate through the ups and downs of our health journeys. We've all heard that age old adage, you can't out exercise a bad diet. But what if I told you that there are certain foods that can actually help you lose weight, potentially making that gym membership feel a little less crucial? Yes, you heard me right. While I'm not saying we should all toss our gym bags aside, I am saying that the power of our plates can be just as impactful, if not more so, when it comes to shedding those extra pounds. So let's talk about effective foods that can replace some of the gym's role in the weight loss process. First up, we have fiber-rich foods. You might be wondering, what's the big deal about fiber? Well, fiber is your best friend when it comes to feeling full and satisfied. Think about it. When you eat foods high in fiber like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, they take longer to digest. This means you're less likely to feel those pesky hunger pangs that often lead to snacking or overeating. Plus, fiber helps regulate your blood sugar levels, which can keep those cravings at bay. So, load up on those leafy greens, beans, and berries, and watch how they transform your meals into filling, nutritious powerhouses. Next on the list is protein. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I'm not a bodybuilder. Why do I need protein? But hear me out. Protein is vital for everyone, not just gym enthusiasts. It plays a crucial role in building and repairing tissues, and it's also incredibly satiating. When you incorporate protein into your meals, whether it's from lean meats, fish, eggs, or plant-based sources like tofu and lentils, you're giving your body the tools it needs to stay full longer. This means fewer trips to the snack cupboard and a more balanced approach to eating. Plus, protein has a higher thermic effect, which means your body burns more calories digesting it compared to fats and carbs. So, let's embrace that chicken breast or chickpea salad. Now, let's not forget about healthy fats. Yes, you heard me right. Fats can be your allies in weight loss. Foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil not only taste amazing, but also help keep you satiated. The key is moderation, of course, but including healthy fats in your diet can help curb cravings and prevent those wild swings in hunger. They also play a role in nutrient absorption and can even improve your mood. So, don't shy away from that drizzle of olive oil on your salad or a handful of almonds as a snack. Your body will thank you. Speaking of snacks, let's talk about the power of snacks themselves. When it comes to weight loss, the right snacks can make all the difference. Instead of reaching for those processed, high-sugar options that leave you feeling sluggish and unsatisfied, opt for whole food snacks. Think apple slices with almond butter, Greek yogurt with berries, or even some air-popped popcorn. These options are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that will keep you energized and focused throughout the day. Plus, having healthy snacks on hand can prevent you from making impulsive food choices when hunger strikes. Now, I can't talk about effective foods without mentioning hydration. Water is often overlooked, but it plays a crucial role in weight loss. Sometimes our bodies confuse thirst with hunger, leading us to snack when all we really need is a glass of water. Staying hydrated can help control those cravings and keep your metabolism running smoothly. So, make it a habit to carry a water bottle with you and aim to drink at least 8 glasses a day. You might be surprised at how much it helps. Let's also touch on the importance of whole, unprocessed foods. The more you can stick to the outer aisles of the grocery store, where the fresh produce, meats, and whole grains are, the better off you'll be. Processed foods are often loaded with hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and empty calories that can sabotage your weight loss efforts. By focusing on whole foods, you're not only nourishing your body, but also making it easier to manage your weight. Plus, cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes, making it a win-win situation. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but what about my cravings? Trust me, I get it. Cravings can be intense, and denying them can lead to binge eating later on. Instead of trying to fight your cravings, why not find healthier alternatives? If you're craving something sweet, try a piece of dark chocolate or a fruit smoothie. If you're in the mood for something crunchy, reach for some air-pop popcorn or veggie sticks with hummus. The key is to satisfy those cravings without derailing your progress. Lastly, let's not forget the importance of mindfulness when it comes to eating. It's so easy to get caught up in our busy lives and eat on autopilot. But taking the time to enjoy your meals, savor each bite, and listen to your body can make a world of difference. When you eat mindfully, you're more in tune with your hunger and fullness cues, which can help prevent overeating. So slow down, put your phone away, and truly enjoy the experience of nourishing your body. So, there you have it. These effective foods can play a significant role in your weight loss journey, potentially taking the pressure off the gym. Remember, it's all about balance. Incorporating these foods into your diet, along with a healthy lifestyle, can lead to sustainable weight loss and a happier, healthier you. So let's embrace the power of our plates and make our meals work for us. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you all in the next video.